Take a moment to check out the 2020 Dodge Charger. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Charger's advanced design lets you tap into seriously savage performance when you want it and save fuel when you don't. With 4 doors, it's a family-friendly muscle car that's surprisingly versatile. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, power driver seat, alarm, electronic stability control. Feel the power of muscle car heritage at the wheel of the Charger. Road test it today.